I think the noises are coming from downstairs.
Yeah, I think so too. Wait,
I'm gonna.
I'm just gonna need to.
Where's the flare? I need the. Saan nakatago yung flare? Ayun, never mind. I'm blind.
Sa taas. Did you start it?
How do you,
You didn't start it.
how do you start it?
You right click.
Motherfucker.
Brother just threw it in.
Well, I have a flare there somewhere.
Just go down. It's not even that, long of a drop. I bet you $50 I can just drop here. Told you. Now where's your goddamn flare? It's gone.
Okay, can we make a tarp here? Can we?
I think we can. Brother just threw it in.
Shut up. I don't know. I expected he would open it before throwing, you know?
I'm still not moved on that spot. It's walk. It's the highlight.
Fuck.
That's the highlight of this video.
Hey, yo.
What are you? Oh, damn. Damn. Yeah. Damn. Oh my god. Didn't the bunkie get that damn bakery all alone? What the fuck? Sure.
Utangin mo.
What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened? What happened to you? What happened to you?
Someone dropped.
What?
Some,
What do you mean someone dropped? I don't see shit.
Ay,
Oh, Jesus Christ!
I told you. I told you.
My fucking heart.
I told you. I told you. So now you know what happened to me.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that.
No. No.
Okay, I mean, mas okay to tingnan. Mas hindi menacing yung ilaw natin. Ang menacing ng
Ay,
red light.